Welcome to Journey Realty Group, where we empower home buyers, homeowners, and real estate investors with the knowledge they need to make smart, informed decisions. If you've recently purchased a home or are considering investing in real estate, one of the best ways to safeguard your property and finances is by securing a home warranty. But how exactly does a home warranty work, and how can you maximize its benefits? That's exactly what we'll cover in today's video. From understanding what a home warranty covers to learning how to make the most of your policy, I'll walk you through everything you need to know so you can protect your investment and avoid unexpected repair costs. By the end of this video, you'll not only know whether a home warranty is right for you, but also how to use it effectively. Let's get started. A home warranty is a service contract that covers the repair or replacement of major home systems and appliances that break down due to normal wear and tear. Unlike homeowners insurance, which primarily protects against catastrophic events like fire, theft, or natural disasters, a home warranty specifically covers the everyday mechanical failures that come with home ownership. Think of it this way: your home insurance kicks in when a storm damages your roof, but it won't cover your water heater when it stops working due to old age. That's where a home warranty comes in. Depending on the plan you choose, a home warranty can cover systems like HVAC, plumbing and electrical, as well as appliances like your refrigerator, dishwasher, washer and dryer. Who needs a home warranty and what it covers? Now, why should you consider getting a home warranty? Let's break it down based on different types of homeowners. First-time home buyers. If you've just purchased a home, especially an older one, you may not be fully aware of the condition of every system and appliance. A home warranty can provide peace of mind by covering unexpected repairs that pop up soon after moving in. Long-term homeowners. Even if you've lived in your home for years, a home warranty can help you manage repair costs, particularly if you own aging appliances or systems that may soon require replacement. Real estate investors and landlords. If you own rental properties, a home warranty can save you from out-of-pocket repair costs when tenants report issues. Plus, it can help streamline maintenance since many home warranty companies coordinate repairs for you. Consider this. According to the National Association of Home Builders, the average lifespan of a water heater is about 10 to 15 years, while an HVAC system may last 15 to 25 years. However, breakdowns often happen when you least expect them. With a home warranty, you won't have to worry about paying the full cost of repairs when these essential systems fail. Coverage varies by provider, but most home warranty plans fall into three categories. 1. Appliance plans cover major household appliances such as refrigerators, ovens, dishwashers, microwaves, washers and dryers. 2. Systems plans focus on home systems like HVAC, plumbing, electrical and even water heaters. 3. Comprehensive plans provide a combination of both appliance and system coverage. Some home warranty companies also offer optional add-ons for things like swimming pools, septic systems and even roof repairs. When choosing a plan, be sure to read the fine print carefully. Some policies may exclude certain brands, models, or pre-existing conditions. Not all home warranty companies are created equal. Here's how to find a provider that offers the best value for your needs. Reputation and reviews. Look for customer reviews on platforms like Better Business Bureau, BBB, and Trustpilot to see how satisfied other homeowners are with their service. Coverage limits and exclusions. Some policies have payout limits on repairs or replacements. For example, a policy may only cover up to $1,500 for HVAC repairs, leaving you to pay the rest out of pocket. Service fees and costs. Most home warranties require a service call fee, typically ranging from $75 to $150 per visit. Compare pricing to ensure it fits your budget. Response time. A broken HVAC system in the middle of summer needs urgent attention. Check how quickly the company responds to service requests. By comparing multiple providers, you can select a plan that gives you the best protection without unnecessary expenses. Having a home warranty is one thing, but knowing how to use it wisely is another. Here are key tips to make the most of your coverage. 1. Read your policy carefully. Understand what's covered, what's excluded, and how to file claims. This prevents surprises when you need to use your warranty. 2. Perform regular maintenance. Home warranties don't cover neglect. If your HVAC system breaks down due to a clogged filter, your claim may be denied. Keep up with routine maintenance to ensure eligibility. 3. Call the warranty provider first. If something breaks down, don't hire a repair technician on your own. Most home warranty companies require you to go through their network of service providers. 4. Keep records of repairs and claims. Document any previous repairs and claims. This helps in case there's a dispute about coverage. A home warranty can be a lifesaver, but it works best when paired with proactive home ownership. Here are some final strategies to ensure you get the most value from your plan. Know when to renew or switch providers. If your current home warranty isn't meeting expectations, whether due to slow service, high denial rates, or low coverage limits, it might be time to shop around before renewing. Compare new plans annually to ensure you're getting the best deal. Negotiate when buying a home. If you're purchasing a home, ask the seller to include a home warranty as part of the sale. Many sellers are willing to offer this as an incentive to attract buyers, saving you the upfront cost. Use your warranty strategically. Don't wait until a major system fails. If you notice warning signs, like your AC struggling to cool or your water heater making strange noises, call for service before a total breakdown. Preventive repairs often cost less than full replacements, and warranty providers are more likely to approve claims for early interventions. Final thoughts. Is a home warranty worth it? Ultimately, whether a home warranty is worth it depends on your home's age, the condition of your appliances, and your ability to cover unexpected repairs out of pocket. For many homeowners, especially first-time buyers and real estate investors, a home warranty provides peace of mind and financial protection against costly breakdowns. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever used a home warranty? Was it worth it, or did you face challenges? Drop a comment below and share your experience. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable real estate tips. Thanks for watching Journey Realty Group. Until next time, happy home ownership!